In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be more productive in your Mastercam programming department with the M-Files document management system. The key points I'm going to cover are how to quickly find your files for a particular job or part, how M-Files can implement a standard naming convention for your files, and how M-Files incorporates automatic version history so you can get back to previous versions without redoing any work. We're just going to quickly draw a circle here to get some data to save. Not going to worry about applying any toolpaths. And the standard file save window pops up. I'm not going to worry about where I'm saving this file or what the file's called at this point. I'm just going to hit save. And then I'm going to fill out this data card. So I'm going to go ahead and say this is a Mastercam model. I'm going to fill in a short description of, it's a circle, and the job, I'm going to say it's job or part number 4321. M-Files automatically knows that anything related to this job is for the customer QTE Manufacturing Solutions. So I'm going to hit yes, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a quick description here of sample. All this data is changeable and customizable to whatever you would need. So I went ahead and hit OK. Now the file is saved. So let's go ahead and close out that file. Now I'm being prompted to check it into M-Files, now that I've opened a new one or started a new file. And notice here that the name has been changed to be the part number or job number, the customer it's for, and then that short description that I entered of circle. So I'm going to go ahead and hit yes and check it in. And let's go actually open up that file and let's see how easy it is to search for it and find it within M-Files. So next time you're looking for the file, you don't have to remember exactly where you stored it. You can just find it knowing that it's job 4321, and in a few minutes I'll show you how you can find it by customer or any other method. So let's do a search for job 4321. I'll hit enter, and now we have that file because it did a search and found it based off of the job number. So here I'm going to go ahead and check it out, take ownership. This is part of the document control aspect. So let's check it out. We can actually make changes to it now. So here I'm just going to draw a quick rectangle around it. Again, not worrying about any toolpaths or actually the design here at all. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now, at this point, I will go ahead and simulate a new file and close it out. So let's check it back in. And then let's go back in, and I'm going to show you another way to be able to find the files within M-Files. So instead of worrying about remembering the job number, let's say you come in, you don't remember, but you do remember the customer. So I can go into Mastercam Models, I can go into Customer, and I know that it was for QTE Manufacturing Solutions, and then I can see the whole list of jobs for that customer, and I remember it's 4321 at this point. So I can go ahead and open the document here, but before I do that, I want to show the options for rolling back to a previous version. So if I right click, I can go down to History, and I can view the entire document history and see that I made a change on 6/13 at 4:27, and also again at 4:28, and any other change or any type of modification that anybody would make is going to be logged in automatically. And the cool thing is that if I wanted to get back to this first version, I can go right click again and say roll back to this version. And if I say I want to roll back to that version, it's going to go ahead and create version 3, which is going to be equal to version 1. So now, when we go into here and we actually open up that file, notice, well, after I check it out here, notice that the box that I put around the circle is gone because that was in the first version of the file and I added it in the second version of the file. So as you can see here, M-Files offers a lot of capabilities in being able to quickly find a particular part or job, quickly implement a standard naming convention so you don't have to worry about what or where everything's saved, and it also allows you to quickly roll back to a previous version in case a mistake was made or in case something gets modified out of tolerance, and you can go ahead and take care of it quickly. And this is just a quick glimpse as to how M-Files can make your Mastercam more efficient. However, it can also do a lot of amazing things throughout the entire company.